Hello, Burlington Public Schools. It's Michelle Artizzoni here, and I'm happy to be bringing you a video tutorial about the topic Apple Classroom. Apple Classroom is a great learning management app for teachers and all educators in Burlington Public Schools that you can start using today in your classes. Apple Classroom allows you to have the control to guide, redirect, instruct, and provide positive support for students while using their iPads during a lesson. This video tutorial will first begin by discussing the basics, and there will be following videos discussing the specifics and demonstrating each one of those in action. So let's begin with the basics. First, the Apple Classroom is an app that your teacher MacBook as well as your teacher iPad can have loaded and installed and ready for you to use. Once installed, Apple Classroom allows you to guide student learning. It does this by allowing you the opportunity to navigate students to either a website that you have designated for the lesson or open a specific app that you wish students to use for the lesson. Also, during the time Apple Classroom is in use, you can see student screens, and if you so choose to mirror and show student work using AirPlay, you can do so through Apple Classroom. Next, you as the educator using Apple Classroom can manage student iPads. You will have the ability to see student screens, either the entire class at once or just one student at a time. You can also mute the audio on all of the iPads in your Apple Classroom. And last but not least, you can lock all of the screens in Apple Classroom while students are using them. At the end of a session using Apple Classroom, you as the educator will be able to review the student's iPad activity on this summary screen. You will be able to see which apps students went to and for how long during the lesson. So after this review of the basics, let's take some time to dig a little deeper into each one of these topics specifically with examples. Let's get started.